everyone, welcome back. Thank you all for stopping by. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we are doing another Cartier unboxing. And this is actually going to be my final Christmas present of the year. So without too much rambling like I normally do, I'm gonna go ahead and open the packaging. So from last time, you can see that it always comes with these little plastic tabs around the box. Okay. So just like before, we have our receipts and authenticity booklet in here, certificate, and it should be a booklet just like the other one with the serial numbers. Oops. Yep. So that is the certificate of authenticity and receipts inside. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. And as well as last time, we have another bag, which is nice that they include that since you didn't have the pleasure of shopping in store with them. Okay, so we have another big box, and I don't know when they will actually send you a cleaning kit. This is probably my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th Cartier purchase, and I have yet to receive a cleaning kit. So I'll probably call customer service and have them send me one, just because it's very good to have on hand whenever you want to clean or polish your jewelry. You have that, you know, at hand. So I'm going to put this box away, and this is here for a reason. I'll show you why in just a second. All right, so we have the pretty ribbon like we did last time. Like always, these are a little bit hard to untie, but there you have it. And then for this one, we do not have the wax seal again, but we do have the pretty folding that Cartier always does on their packaging. And it's so, so beautiful. Okay, finally. So I'm going to put all this to the side, and then we have the box. And as usual, they open the same way. You probably already saw what it is because there's a picture down here. Okay, so this is the, oh my goodness, the Juste clou in the small size in the pink gold with diamonds. So I don't know if the camera will pick up on it or not, but I will hold it here for you to see up close. And I will be doing a video specifically on each piece so that you get an idea of how the pieces look. And I'm actually going to stack this together with my last bracelet. And like I was saying, so I will be doing individual videos, because I know that in these videos I'm not really focusing on the item. It's just really like unboxings. But I do want to go ahead and make separate videos for each piece. But anyway, like I said, wow, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. Oh man, guys, I love this. It is so, so dainty. And so in my previous Cartier unboxing, I unboxed my love bracelet in the small size in the pink gold as well. And the reason I am not wearing it is for two reasons. So one, because I do want my husband to put it on me, and he's currently not here. So I took it off, and I'm going to wait for him to actually lock it in place. But another reason is because I am not sure if I will like these two stacked. Okay, let me rephrase that. I do like these two stacked, but I don't know if I have chosen the correct size. So as you probably saw in my previous video, this love bracelet is a size 16. So therefore they recommend that your Justin Clou goes one size down. So I went ahead and got a 15 in this bracelet. But this 16 does fit me slightly big. It does rotate around my wrist. I have very, very abnormally small wrist. My wrist measures barely 14 centimeters. So I knew that I should have gotten the size 15 in this bracelet. But the problem is this. The Justin Clou that I wanted with the diamonds, the smallest size that they make is a 15. And you must size down in this Justin Clou. So therefore I had to get a 16 in the love bracelet. They do come in a 14 in the Justin Clou if you do not get the diamonds with it. So if I wanted just a small Justin Clou without any diamonds, I can get it in a size 14 because it does come in a size 14. But I didn't want that. I wanted the diamonds. I really, really wanted that little bit of sparkle because all of these pieces just are the solid gold with no diamonds. So I did really want that sparkle. So I went ahead and ordered it anyway, and we're gonna see how it fits. So that is the story behind it. So let's put this on first. Let me remove this little tag. And I know you're supposed to place it on your wrist like this. Well, I need to practice. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Did you see that? It just rotates on my arm. And this is a 15. Okay, so that is so pretty. That is beautiful. I love it. Okay, and let's try the 16. All right, guys, so this is what they look like together. So that is what the little stack looks like. I think it's just perfect. I feel like they look so beautiful together. I love this combination. I am like super, super happy with these. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with these pieces. I'm so happy I got them. And I decided to wear my ring here. My little small Justin Clou ring. I decided to keep it on this hand because I do want to wear this bracelet. Once my husband puts it on me, I will wear it all the time. I will not take it off. But this one I will be taking off because I feel like it's a little bit more fragile because of the diamonds. I will be taking it off and putting it on whenever I'm working out. Oh, and I did buy some sweat wristbands so that I can put on top of my bracelet whenever I am working out, so they're not banging against each other or banging on weights or anything like that. So I wanted to take care of them, so I did buy that. And anyway, like I was saying, so I decided to put my ring here and then wear my love wedding bands on my pointer finger on my left hand along with my wedding band set. And I think that that is good because I wanted it originally my Justin Clou here, but I feel like it would take away from my wedding set because it's a little bit bigger. But either way, it actually looks okay, but I do prefer it like this better. And yeah, guys, so that is pretty much it for this unboxing. Like I said, I will do videos on each piece later on in the future. And this is my first piece ever, so I've had this one longer, so I might do one for this one first. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also, I will be leaving my Instagram handle down here so that you can check that out as well and follow me on there if you would like. I do post more family-oriented content on that channel, not that channel, on my Instagram account. So go ahead and follow me there. And I will also be leaving 2 more videos somewhere here so that you can pick one and continue watching if you wish to do so. Don't forget, guys, as I always say, never forget to be kind to one another, and let's never forget to be grateful. Thank you so much for watching.